are going to make a really cute Valentine's Day arrangement with items from the Dollar Tree. What you need, I have these really cute styrofoam cubes. You can even use the round balls if you want. Dollar Tree has so many different shapes of styrofoam, so you can just really do whatever you want. I thought these hearts were really cute, and I just have a bunch of decorations. I'm not sure exactly which ones I'm going to use, but I like to have options. And then I have these really cute styrofoam hearts, and they are on sticks. So I thought that'd be really cute to stick out of the styrofoam. I have that in red and pink. Also have some glitter Chanel stems. Mod Podge. Yes, you guys, Mod Podge at Dollar Tree. That's crazy. The glitter is the only thing I did not purchase at Dollar Tree. But I believe they do have glitter at Dollar Tree. And a ton of candy, whatever you like. I just got a bunch of random kinds because I just want to make it like just a fun little arrangement. But if you are giving this to someone who like really loves Twix, then you can just do it with all Twix. You know, just do whatever you'd like. Also a hot glue gun and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So now it's time to cover the styrofoam cubes in Mod Podge and then add glitter. Lots and lots of glitter. Alright, so I've covered the top in Mod Podge. Just take a paintbrush and just paint it on there. Now I'm just going to sprinkle it with glitter. Sprinkle it with glitter. Cover everywhere. You can never have too much glitter. Just like that. So cute. So I'm going to cover all 3 cubes completely with glitter, and then I'll set it aside to dry. I have my 3 styrofoam cubes completely covered in glitter. They look so cute. Next thing we are going to do is take our wooden dowels and completely cover them in glitter as well because we want them to match our cubes. Then we'll start connecting everything. Covered in Mod Podge, you're just going to roll it. Just like that. And it's just so pretty. Dowels are so cute, covered in glitter. Now I'm going to cut them into thirds when I'm kind of short just to connect everything. Actually, I'm just break them. That'll work. If you can find some shorter dowels, then definitely go with those, but I could not. This will probably be enough. And they don't have to be perfect. You're just going to stick them in the styrofoam. I'm going to have mine as like a 2-tier. Just like that. So we'll move this one aside for right now. And we're going to connect these 2 together with the dowels. So all I'm going to do, here we'll turn that on the side. Just going to take the dowel and stick it all the way in there. Same with the bottom one, and I just want it sticking in deep enough to where it's sturdy. Okay, do it like this. That'll be easier. Let gravity help me. I didn't let my cubes dry completely, so make sure you let them dry completely so you don't lose any of your glitter. And I want my base already together, then I'll add all the candy and everything. Just going to go right on top. So if you want, you can actually just glue the top one down like that. That's definitely doable. But if you want more height, then I would add 2 wooden dowels right here and right here. That's what I'm going to do. But you could definitely have all of these just like close together if you'd like. I'm going to stick this here. And right here. Now we're just going to add the top. Just want to make sure it's nice and centered. And if you want to go big or go home, you can definitely make it taller, wider, more intricate. You can have 10 cubes, whatever you want to do. Alright, so I have my base all together. It looks so cute. Now for the fun part, decorating. All of this yummy candy. So these lollipops are so cute. They say hugs and kisses. I think I'm going to use these because they're kind of, you know, they have sticks themselves, so I don't have to glue them or anything. I'm going to use them to line the styrofoam. I think that'll be really cute. Carefully place it. Oh, they say different things. Hugs and kisses, true love, you're special. So that's really cute. Now I'm going to add some of the candy bars probably. I think I want to just like maybe have them like this. Have them both going this way, and this side they'll go this way. For my M&Ms, place the M&Ms on the side, but I think I'm going to fold it like this, because I think that looks cuter and it fits better. So then I take another piece of candy. I'm going to alternate Twix and Snickers. Not too much glue because you don't want them to have to fight to get it off, but you want enough to keep it nice and sturdy. And press it down. See, lying it flat, you can press it down better. That's what it's looking like. So cute. Gonna do the other side the same way. This is going to be the front, but I lined it flat so that I could glue it better and apply more pressure to it. I think I'm going to add a bow. Yeah. I think I'll use this satin ribbon to add a cute little bow in the front, because I don't know. Every project needs a cute bow. I'm just like folding it across like this and scrunching it, because I want a lot to hang. Since this is tall, I want it to hang down. Just like that. A little bit larger. And I'll place it right in the center, front and center. Small Chanel stem. You can use floral wire, ribbon, whatever. Just going to twist it together. So with the Chanel stem, you can use the tip to just stick it into the styrofoam, or you can hot glue it. So just a nice simple bow. And it's going to go right here and stick it into the styrofoam. Just like that. I have my rose bouquet. I'm just going to pluck the roses off and stick them in the top. Top it off with roses. Stick it in the corner. One in each of the 4 corners. I think I'm going to use some of the styrofoam hearts because they're so cute. The styrofoam hearts and Chanel stems. I think I'm going to add Twix maybe at a diagonal right here, just to give it a little lift. I'll do that to both sides. Yeah, alright, so I'll get that glued down. Again, remember, not too much, but not too little. Try to have the perfect balance. And press that down. I think we need to add some kisses, because you can't really have a Valentine's gift without kisses. So I have these really cute pink kisses. And I think I'll add a couple maybe right in front of the twigs. And I'm just adding a small dot. Just like that. Move along to the styrofoam hearts and Chanel stems. And I want to top off the top of my my arrangement with these. Alright, so I'm just going to take the Chanel stem, use my scissors or a pencil or whatever, and I'm going to curl it around. Just to make a nice curl. Just like that. In the center of my roses. And again, these sticks are a little too long. I'm just going to break them shorter. And the same with the Chanel stem, I'll cut them shorter to fit my arrangement. Alright, so now it's shorter. And I'm just going to stick it right there. Alright, so I actually decided not to place the M&Ms on the side. Yeah, by the time I finished, it looks so cute, and I think it's just like the perfect amount of decoration and candy that I'm not going to add it. But you could definitely cover the sides, top, bottom, whatever you'd like. You can even add a little note or a card or anything that you like. But it just shows that, you know, you're thinking about them and you tailored your gift specifically to them.